If you've got an old SATA or M.2 NVMe SSD lying around, the Sabrent Rocket RGB USB 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 Type-C enclosure might just be the perfect way to give it a second life. Priced at just $29.99 on Amazon after using code 251SNK4W. This enclosure offers an incredible value with a 40% discount from its original $49.99 price. What makes the Sabrent Rocket enclosure stand out is how effortlessly it turns your internal SSDs into a high-speed external drive without the need for any extra power supply. Just plug it into your device via USB and you're good to go. It's completely bus-powered, making it perfect for on-the-go use, whether you're backing up your files, transferring games, or simply expanding your local storage. With support for USB 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 speeds, you get extremely fast read and write performance, ensuring that even large files move quickly between devices. Whether you're using it with a PC, a PlayStation 5, or an Xbox Series X, the Rocket RGB delivers solid, reliable performance. It's also highly portable, turning any old drive into something much like a high-capacity flash drive, but with better durability and speed. Another bonus is the stylish RGB lighting that adds a nice visual touch, especially if you're using alongside other RGB-enabled gaming gear. It's not just about looks either. The enclosure is built with quality materials, offering durability while maintaining a lightweight design. Installing your drive is simple and tool-free. So even if you're not particularly tech-savvy, setting it up is a breeze. Overall, the Sabrent Rocket RGB USB 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 enclosure is one of the best ways to maximize the use of your older SSDs or even newer ones you want to repurpose for external storage. At its current sale price, it's a smart, stylish, and high-performance upgrade for anyone who needs fast, reliable, and portable storage.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.